Hi all, it's Alex from W3 Init. So today we'll be going through a demonstration of how to install Docker in the Ubuntu environment. So let's start with going through the documentation in the Ubuntu website, in the Docker website. There's very detailed instructions on how to install Docker in Ubuntu. So we'll go through that and we'll go through each step by step. I will provide this link in the description of this video if you want. I will provide this link and I will add all the commands I am using in this demo. So let's go through one by one. So if you have the older versions, you can uninstall using this command, but I'm not going to run this because I'm not having any. I haven't installed any Docker in my system right now. So we'll start with this command. So it is to update the app repository. So we have updated. Now these are the packages which we need to install Docker. These are the libraries for Ubuntu. So we'll install. I have almost all of them already installed, so if it is not there, it will automatically install for you. And here we are adding the GPG key for Docker. So it's added. Now if you want to verify the key, you can do this step, otherwise it's completely optional. Like you will get the output like this, and you have to map it, check it against this key. Next we will add the repository, Docker repository. So now the Docker repository is registered in Ubuntu. Now we can go ahead with the actual installation of the Docker. So since we have added the repository, we need to update. We need to update the Ubuntu repository thing. So we'll take this thing. Okay, now this is the command we use to install the Docker. So here you can see apt install Docker C. C stands for Community Edition. So we'll be installing the Community Edition, which is free. So it will get 30 MB of data. So now the Docker is installed. To check whether it's installed successfully, we can run this thing. This is actually a Docker container, hello world container for checking. So now you can see Docker. So now you can see the message from the Docker. This is the very first hello world Docker container. Now this means like your Docker installation is working fine. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribed for more interesting videos.